Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you my favorite dish. Fried fish with ginger and soybeans paste. I'm using catfish. Catfish, like most other fishes, has valuable nutritional properties that make it ideal for sustaining a balanced diet. Catfish only has about 98 calories in a 100-gram protein, make it a great choice for people looking after their weight. Sliced ginger. Green chili. Green chili are rich in vitamin C and beta-carotene, which are beneficial for the eyes. The potassium found in green chili for controlling heart rate and blood pressure and prevents hardening of arteries. Soybeans paste. Soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, pepper powder, Thank you for your valuable time watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest video. Thank you.